Hello guys, how are you? I'm quite busy so that I cannot manage to create the new video clip to sharing how you can create the folder permissions and how to change the ownership of the folder. I supposed to upload on the last week but I quite busy. Sorry. Okay. Before we start the things, let's refresh our memory. What is the chmod? Okay, let's see the mem page chmod. Okay, so chmod is the change permission of the file and folder. Okay, not only the file, also folder we can change it. Okay, this chmod is based on the read write execute, so that you already know, or maybe you forgot a little bit. Read permission is the 4, write permission is 2, and the execute permission is 1. So if you want to fix someone, for example user, group and other, so you want to give user to full permission, rewrite execute the total is 7, or you want to give group to the full permission, rewrite execute is 7, or you want to give only the write and execute the permissions 3, or you want to give only read and execute permission, so that read is 4, execute is 1 is a 5. So you can give based on the user, group and others, so that you can give the chmod 755, chmod 644, chmod 700 based on your requirement. Okay, I think you already remember what is chmod. Let's go and practice. Before we doing that, I have created the two user. I've already entered the two user. Let's check who is this. Who am I? Okay, who am I now? The one is the Kali user, another one is the intruder. Slash clear, let me clear, slash home cd slash home Kali, and then testing. Okay, now I already inside the same folder directory, but that one is the username is the intruder. Sorry, this one is, oh, okay. Okay, so this user is the intruder user. So there is a two user mode. I already log in. So first user mode is Kali, so that I will create the folder and enter this directory path. Okay, slash home Kali testing. Okay, mkdir testing permission. Okay, I already created the folder. Then we will check it and let dash al. So the I you still remember what is the default file permission? 1 2 3. Okay, the 4 by permission 644. I think you already remember, right? If you don't remember, please check back the permission of the previous movie clip. Okay, so in that by 5 permissions, right, is we already know the 644, but on the folder permission, when you create the default folder, right, the default permission is 755. So the D is for what? It's a directory. Okay, so you already know this is the directory, not the file. Okay, so the first three is the user, and then second is a group, that one is the other. To the rewrite execute, what is the rewrite execute? Read is 4, right, 2, execute is 1, so that's 7, and then this one only read and execute, so that's 755 permission. So that when you create the folder inside the Linux, the default permission is 755. Okay, so you have to remember this. Another thing is we can use this command. Okay, so when you create the folder, right, default is the current user, owner. Okay, and the group is the Kali group. Okay, so any group lah, based on that you are which group you are belongs to the user. Okay, so that inside the folder permission, right, the Kali user has rewrite execute, so that I can create the file inside this testing permission directory. Okay, let me inside this testing permission folder. Okay, clear pwd. Okay, I already inside the testing permission folder, and I will create the test empty file. Okay, Kali. Okay, I already created, and then check ls space minus -al. So I already created the Kali file, enter the Kali user, Kali group. I already created, because I have that permission. Okay, let me check back. I have rewrite is the right permission inside this because Kali is the current user, so that I have the right permission to create file inside this folder. Okay, so I go back to the another user intruder. So let me excuse me. Okay, let me go the Kali directory back. Okay, check lsp -al. So the permissions only Kali can do. Kali user can do the rewrite execute. Other user, other and group only at the read and execute, no write permission. So let me go inside there. Okay, current title, so that I will create the test file. I permission denied because of the other user doesn't have the permission to write the file, so that I will request the Kali user, hey, please give me the permission. There is a two option, whether you have to give the change permission group to read, write and execute, or write permission on that, or write permission on the others, so that you can give the permission. This video clip I only share how to change the owner of this folder. Okay, so I will change the owner. I don't want to change that permission, so that I want to change the owner to intruder. Then the intruder will be get the read, write, execute permission. Okay, the command is quite easy. chown show intruder, that's permission. Okay, so that the user has already got it. I need the sudo privilege. Okay, I already changed the permission of the owner, so that let's check back again. Now you already realize that, right? The owner is the intruder. So try again. So the owner is already changed the intruder, so the owner already got the read, write, execute. Okay, go back to the intruder folder, then I will create the file. That time I can manage to create the file. Because of that, I already got the permission inside the Kali to rewrite, execute. I didn't change the any chmod, I just only changed the owner of this file, so that this became the owner. I can create the file of the intruder. Okay, but the problem is when you give the owner, right, but groups and other is group as only the read, write. So Kali is the group of the user, so that user is still the Kali user group. Okay, this Kali user group, so that it's only have the read and execute permission, doesn't have the write permission. So I will create the file inside this directory, check whether I supposed to encounter the permission deny, because I don't have any permission. Okay, I don't have any permission. You already know, right? Because of because of this Kali folder is only had the read and execute permission, no the write permission. Okay, so that I will ask the owner, hey intruder, you already became the owner, right? Owner of this folder. Okay, owner of this folder, please give me the write permission on the group of the Kali. Okay, so I go back again, then I will create the ls space -al. Okay, so I will change the permission of this group to write permission. Okay, the command is chmod 770 test permission. Okay, finally I got this 770. Sorry, this is my typo. Okay, I already got the permission. Okay, so I already give the permission the group to rewrite, execute, right? Okay, the group has rewrite, execute permission, so that I can go back to the Kali, then I can create the folder. So let me go inside the testing permission directory and then create the test Kali file 1, so that now I can manage to create the file inside the directory. Okay, so it's quite easy, right? You can only remember chmod and chown